Hello everyone, Johnny Hurricane here from GamersHeroes.com. Today we're going to go over how to change your clothes in Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl, because apparently you get a pre-order outfit. Didn't even know. Let's get started. Alright, so the outfit shop, the style shop, is in Veilstone City, and you can't change your outfit unless you're there, because why would you be able to just click a button and do it? So you have to go to Veilstone City. I'm going to guess that's like the fifth batch, something like that. You got a little ways to go. When you're there, go into the shop, talk to this lady, and you can say, change my style. That's how you change your outfit. I did not get the pre-order outfit. That's just how it goes. And then you can also buy extra outfits here, but they are expensive. So you need to go nugget farming or something if you want to afford some of these. But anyways, that's how you do it. You can either buy an outfit here, or you can just click change outfit and change into the outfit. You need to be in Veilstone City, though. That'll do it for me. If you liked what you saw and got what you needed, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Later, Gators.